Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit more complicated than what we've done in the past, and we are going to create a website in PHP using objects and classes rather than just the lines of code that we've done in the past. So to do this, we create a file. I'm calling mine DPL website. You can call yours whatever you like. And in here we need a class of that name. It can be any name actually, but that's what I'm calling mine. We're setting up 4 different variables in here, and we're going to make them all private so they're not able to be modified from outside of the class. And then we create 2 functions in here. One is called set data. The other one is called show data. In the set data, the first thing it does is it says, well, was this variable page set when we started up? And if it is, then get that data and put it into a local variable called page. And once we have all that set up, now we have a switch statement, which is similar to a bunch of if statements. And it takes this one variable and says, well, if it's equal to home, then set these other 3 variables to these values. And if it's equal to about, then set it to these 3 values. If it's equal to contact, then do this. Then we have another function that we wrote in here called show data. And all show data does is to take the information that we put in above and output it to the screen. So it shows all the tags that we need for a valid web page, which we need the doc type HTML tag from the beginning. We need HTML, we need head, and then we have our title, and it says to send out this title, which is the variable that we set above. And then a little later on it sends out this heading, and then it sends out this content. And then it looks like this on the right hand side of my screen here. So if I click on any of these, it reloads the page and shows the appropriate information on each. And you'll notice at the end of each line is a \n. That tells it to send out a new line, so that if you're looking at the source code of your web page, then everything is on top of each other rather than going out in a single line, which means it would not be able to be read too easily. So it keeps everything looking nice and easier to find issues that you may have and solve problems. So by putting all these things into one file, this now becomes my program, which it says require the DPL website PHP file, and then all that code is available to my now very short program, which says website is new DPL website, and then it says website set data, and then it says website show data. And so there's 3 lines of code basically that makes this whole thing work, because all the actual hard work is being done inside my class. So it sounds easier than It actually is. So explore, see what you can come up with. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them a note on the underneath the video here, and I'll be happy to get back to you. You can also contact me by email at any time, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.